Yung pa yung ano
Teka.
Yung pa yung ano. Yung pa yung...
Tingnan ko muna. The gradient of the normal to the curve. So, at x equals pi over 6, okay, ang gradient ay 2 plus 48 square root of 3. Paano related yung gradient sa normal?
Negative reciprocal.
So dapat may overall negative sign ka. So ano lang.
May negative sign.
So may mga nalaglag na negative sign. So nagpropagate from there.
Ultimate laziness.
Tapos yung last na so magiging plus. Tapos yung isa, okay. Sige. Ngayon, tingnan natin yung 13D, yung 22.
Ilan po? It's not loading. Ayun.
Okay. Ngayon, may sinabi na show that the area of the trapezium is given by...
Trapezium ba po in British? Yun ba po yung trapezoid? Kasi this looks like a trapezoid.
Yes. Trapezoid siya. British English lang yan. So, trapezium.
Why can't why is in American English? Actually nga po, this is the only time I think yung British English makes sense. Kasi kung ito po yung trapezoid, tapos yung parang sort of looking like trapezoid yung trapezium, then it would make more sense than why is American English trapezoid yung ganyan, yung tama, sort of yung, if you think about po yung mas sort of correct, yung ganyan, yung may parallel, two opposite sides are parallel. So why is trapezoid po the oid, the similar to trapezium in American English?
Actually, hindi ko alam. Alam mo na, weird yung development ng language eh.
Abo.
Kahit yung spelling di ba? Yung for example, yung mga words sa British English at saka American English, may mga may hindi nagma-match eh. Anyway, yung paano na set up yung, gusto ko lang makita, yung part dito na show that the area of the trapezium is this. So, paano nakuha yan? Kaya,
ayan po.
DP, I think, hindi, sige. DP is 10 sine theta, which is equal to CQ. Tapos, AP. AP is equal to 10 cosine theta. Ano siya? I think mas maganda na huwag kang magtipid sa explanation dito. Kasi hindi clear na So for example, pwedeng ang breakup mo dyan ay yung area of the rectangle plus area of the triangle plus area of the triangle is equal to area of S.
And yung ginamit ko po is the area of the trapezoid.
Which, na yung... pero ano yan eh? Di ba yun nga yung gusto mong ipakita?
Ano kasing area of a trapezoid? I just know po yung ganun. Area of a trapezoid.
Na average nung... Diba? May formula. Pero saan galing yung formula?
Yes, I think.
Hindi, ganito. Saan galing yung formula? Yun yung tanong.
Marami pong ways to prove this eh. Pwede siyang
So,
rectangle plus, pwede siyang i-separate by the midline, tapos gawin siyang parallelogram.
mhm.
Pwede siyang i-flip kung ano siya, kung normal na ganun na po yung itsura niya. Pwede i-flip yung isa, magiging parallelogram assuming na it is isosceles. In this case it is. Pwede rin. Marami pa po eh. Basta yung
Mhm.
siguro yung most straightforward is rectangle in the inside na bounded by the perpendicular lines and then plus the two triangles.
Mhm. Anyway, dito kasi, so wag mong i-assume na known yan. I-ano mo na, pakita mo from the figure.
Mm.
Pero okay na yan. Sige. At least alam ko saan nanggaling yung setup mo. Ngayon, check ko naman yung, kasi yung write-up ko naman, pinakita ko lang, calculate separately yung triangles and yung rectangles and then add them together.
Okay.
Derivative. 20 times so 120 sine theta plus 100 sine, teka, 20 sine theta. Bakit? Teka, 120 sine theta plus 100 sine theta cosine theta. O sige. Ngayon, 120 cosine theta. Tapos nag-left d, right d, left ka. So, it's 100 cosine. Okay.
Basta
Ngayon,
may
yung
actually yung ano po yung hindi ko ba nalagay dito. Parang I forgot to put it, I think. Pero yung ano po, dx. Kasi this always pops up. I'm going to establish it from now.
I think hindi mo kailangan magkabisado ng regular na form na ganyan. Kasi ang sine theta cosine theta is actually just 1/2 sine 2 theta.
What? So all this time po it could be, I could have done 200, wait. No. 50 sine 2 theta.
Pero ano yan eh. Sige, pero tingnan natin yung yung setup mo.
I forgot.
Yung kaya lang dito kasi nagso-solve tayo na eventually babalik ka rin sa sa magsiset ka ng polynomial for cosine theta or sine theta eh. So dito ang naset na polynomial, di ba? Polynomial in cosine theta, quadratic polynomial. Tapos you solve for cosine of theta. So cosine squared theta, 10 cosine squared theta plus 6 cosine theta minus 5 is 0. So tama. Tapos yung solution, next page patingin.
Ayun. Click din.
So meron tayong dalawang possibilities. Negative 3 plus 15.
Nawala po.
Bakit? Yung plus or minus nasa 3. Ano yung quadratic formula? Negative b plus or minus
minus 5.
So yung u mo dyan should be uh, negative 3 plus or minus square root of 59.
Ba't ganun?
Oo nga. Bakit? Kaya ano yun eh. Check mo yung I think pumalya yung pag-apply mo ng quadratic formula dito.
Ginamit ko lang po yung calculator.
Retry mo. 10x squared plus 6u minus 5.
Okay. And pag meron kang time yung battery nga nito, baka
Napalitan nyo na ba ng battery or hindi pa?
Hindi ba
Hindi
po?
pa po eh. Kasi dito, isa lang po yung binibilan ng ganyan. Hindi po kami, hindi out of the way siya. Kaya hindi ko na dadaanan.
Pwede kasing i-Shopee nyo or Lazada.
Pwede po.
Meron doon ako, nakahap ka naman doon eh.
Apo.
Kasi
Basta
yung battery ng computer ko napalitan ko from using Shopee eh.
Apo.
Sa Shopee.
Or Lazada.
Apo.
Actually, medyo iniiwasan ko yung Shopee ngayon eh. So Lazada muna.
Bakit iniiwasan niyo po yung Shopee?
Hindi nakakagana yung endorser nila eh. Parang tinatamaan, pag nakikita ko siya, tinatamaan ako ng urge na magtipid eh. God's work.
Kaya pala nakasulat dito na may godly business naman. Talagang ano po eh, talagang pinupred ko na yan eh. Okay, basta anyway. Buti I noticed what is obviously wrong. Tapos somehow the right one still comes up. Okay, so plus minus something plus 2 pi k. Yes, okay.
So ang 1.08 radians. Tapos okay, so lumabas na. So nag-second derivative test, okay. And then lumalabas na less than 0. Ngayon, yung check lang sa ganito, graph mo sa Desmos, yung S.
Desmos. What is S? S is... Where's S? There.
Yes. Tapos instead of S, tawagin mo lang na Y, tapos yung theta, yun yung gawin mong X.
Desmos. Okay, what's this?
So Y equals 6 plus 5 cosine X times 20 sine X.
Okay, so 20 sine X.
Multiplied by
low.
Tapos
close
parenthesis. Lagyan mo ng parenthesis yung sign of X para ngayon, zoom out na lang. Tapos palit ka ng I think gamitin mo yung wrench tool para mapalitan mo yung scales.
Step y-axis. 10. Okay, 1.
Yung range, tingnan mo. From let's say 0 to 10.
No! It looks
sorry. Balik. Yung highest value niyan ay zoom out ulit. Para makita natin yung upper limit.
No. Okay, wait.
Tapos nun,
crazy graph.
Yung X yung baguhin mo from 0 to 10. Gamitin mo yung wrench. So, yung wrench tool,
Where am I?
tapos
Okay.
yung X is, okay, so yung Y, gawin mo na negative
1/5.
200 to 200 siguro. Tapos yung X, iparan mo from 0 to, kasi ang physically realizable lang naman ay 0 to pi, di ba? So 0 to 3.14 or 0 to pi, yung X. So 0 to pi.
Oh, there, look, 5. Nice. Okay, so now it looks much cleaner. Wait, actually, how does it look like? Ah, okay, so it looks like that. Uh,
Tapos maximum area,
wait, what's the maximum area? The
sorry, S yung area, di ba? Or
maximum derivative. I mean, maximum value of S.
so so X is 1.084. Tapos yung Y is 147 point something.
Okay. So it is the
Yeah.
maximum, it's the minimum.
So nagma-match naman yung sagot with yung the graph.
Abo.
Okay, next, yung 23.
23. So this is area of pizza slice. Wait.
Yeah. Anong pinapahap sa atin? The figure shows a circle. Tapos ang kailangan na find the area enclosed
Abo.
by the chord PR and the diameter
The
PQ
inscribed angle po.
and the arc QR.
There's the
So ano yung kailangan?
ito nga pong triangle, isosceles triangle here.
Hindi, basta i-shade mo yung yung area na kailangan natin. So gamitin mo yung highlighter. Yan. Okay. So yan yung unknown, no? Sige. Or at least we want to express that in terms of theta.
Abo. So yung ko po is isosceles triangle with theta. And then sector, which is in terms of theta rin. And radians. And the radius, I mean. So this isosceles triangle is what is again? Times 2.
ROQ. Okay na yan.
How do we know po it's not the triangle? Context?
Wala, hindi, wag ka lang mag-drawing ng triangle na ROQ.
Okay, so
Or kung gusto mo, wala na, I think okay na yan.
I knew it. Another sign theta cos theta.
Okay, so
Actually, yung ginawa ko po is, yung actual na, yung solution ko po is semicircle and then minus the segment. But I think that's functionally harder. I don't know. R rock.
so
Wait. So then this B below.
teka,
What have I done?
tawagin mo lang na ganito. Let A be the area of PRQ.
Ayun. So therefore, A is...
Para kailangan may statement ka, let, para ma-define mo yung variable.
ito po.
Sige, lagi.
Okay. Sige. So A is
Okay.
bakit ganun yung lumalabas? 50 times I think ROQ. ROQ 1/2 R square.
Theta.
Teka, ano yung theta mo dyan sa A? Sa area na yan?
2 theta. Kasi ito po is misleading. I mean, for general maybe. Area of... Area of sector nga...
Instead of using 2 theta, instead of theta, ano kasi, yung theta natin gamit na. So, hindi mo dapat gamitin na theta yan.
Phi?
Mag-open parenthesis ka and close parenthesis. Hindi, ganito. Open parenthesis. Tapos, lagyan mo ng, yung actual angle kasi 2 theta, di ba? So, 2 theta dapat. So, open parenthesis, 2 theta times, tapos close parenthesis. Ayan. So, klaro na that's the angle. Tapos 1/2 R squared.
Okay. Madali doon. There, okay. Therefore,
Okay. Tapos gusto mo bang ganyan, diretso ka na magdi-differentiate ka na or mag-simplify ka using trig identities? Kasi ang sign of theta at cosine
ginawa ko
theta,
lang
di
po
ba?
is 100 sin theta cos theta plus 100 theta. That's it.
Hindi,
Unless
I
na
mean, yung half angle formula that gives us yung double angle formula, yung sin theta cosine theta is what? It's 1/2 of sine 2 theta. Yan, kasi baka mas simpleng i-differentiate yan eh.
Manalo theta. Theta is variable or ano na siya? Constant. Constant ba po yung theta?
Hindi, variable siya kasi ang assumption natin dito, binabago-bago natin yung theta.
Okay.
So 100, so dapat, yeah, okay. Derivative ng theta is 1.
That's it. Ayan.
Teka, ano yung units niyan?
Dimensionless and then dimensionless times radians per second.
Teka, balik tayo dun sa expression sa area. Ano units ng area?
Meter squared. Ay, centimeter squared.
Okay, so centimeter square. Ngayon, ano yung units ng DAD theta?
Centimeters.
So centimeter square over
Centimeter square over what? Radians ba? Radians ba? Yes,
radian.
radians. So itong DADT, centimeter squared over radians. Centimeter squared over per second. There.
Na may sense, di ba? Area per second yan eh. Okay na?
Opo.
So let's go to the next item, 24.
Wait.
So when x equals negative sine beta, anong y? Okay. Ngayon, ito yung value kapag stationary. How do we know na minimum? As
Lol.
okay, so greater than 0. Okay, ngayon, paano sa solve yan ng without using calculus?
Oh no. Without using calculus?
Hmm? So,
Okay.
tingnan mo yung expression. Y equals x squared plus 2x sine beta plus 1.
It looks like it is quadratic. Okay, so find the minimum of the quadratic. Our formulas, I think. Ano, hindi.
And
Minimum nun, ng quadratic formula.
paano yung technique ulit para makita makita yung kung kailan yung minimum or maximum kapag quadratic?
Quadratic. Five.
Tingnan mo yung chapter 2, section 3 yata ng book.
Chapter 2. Section 2.
So I think section 3 yun eh. 2.3 yata or 2.4.
Complete the square and then make sure na wait lang.
Okay, so complete the square.
Okay, complete the square and then
pag na-complete the square na, magiging obvious kailan yung
make the 1 0 so it will become the best of
sige.
saying what makes sense.
Okay, so paki-complete nga yung square sa x squared plus 2x sine beta plus 1.
Where
2x sine beta or 2 sine beta times x, pwede rin.
plus wait. Okay, kung x squared tapos 15 sine beta over 2 squared
Teka, pinapattern, pag nag-complete the square tayo, pinapattern natin yan sa x plus h square. Ano ba yung x plus h square? So 2hx plus h square para maging x plus h or x minus h. Ano yan eh? So dito, 2 times sine beta times x. So yung h na, yung kailangan natin ay pag-add at subtract ng sine squared beta. Tapos, yung first three terms, yan yung x plus sine beta plus 1 minus, ayan, cosine squared beta na.
Ten, 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 ten. Okay, so when this is 0, ten, 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 ten. Okay, so
So yan
apparently
yung
magic. Yan. Cosine squared beta. Wait, so actually, the non-calculus version is even shorter.
Ano yan eh. Pero illustration lang kasi naman, kaya may ganyang exercise kasi para pakita na it's doable using calculus methods. Pero yun nga, it's for this one, simpler yung mag-quadratic form. Ano eh. Okay, yung number 25 naman.
Yung number 25 po, may tanong po ako. What is the semi-vertical angle? I've never heard of this before.
Teka. Or and theta is a semi-vertical angle. Teka, sige, share ko muna yung screen ko. If I remember right, derive natin yung yung formula for the volume. So,
average British terms. Crazy.
Hindi, iba lang sila. Iba lang convention sila.
yan. So, let's say meron tayong let's use going lang ng axis. So, ito yung...
Baka less than 1 minute na po. Gusto niya po na ma-end na. Baka bigla lang maputol.
Sige.
Opo.
Resume natin pag
Opo, end ko na po. Baka mawala.
Yeah.
On one term.
Hello, sir.
Hello po.
Okay. Kaya, share ko yung screen ko. I think ano yan eh. Kasi, isipin mo kung gaano ka-confusing nung before naging international language yung English. Kasi before that, yung French malamang may sariling terms. So historical ano yan eh. Okay. Alam ko ito yung definition ng angle eh. Pero just to make sure, check natin for ayokong i-derive na yung formula ng cone. So let's just check Google. Okay, a volume of a cone.
At saka why pala po eh, kung siguro why is the volume of something, basta anything, and kumbaga po there's a prism. Tapos ginawa niya po yung isang face of the prism. Ay isang one of the, let's say kung pentagonal prism, one of the pentagons, you turn into a point. So naging pentagonal pentagonal pyramid. So why is the volume of such a pyramid 1/3 of the original prism?
Teka. Hindi ko siya yung para makuha ko yung mga volumes, nag-i-integrate ako eh. So may paraan para i-set up yun. So hindi talaga siya
surface of revolution po pwede.
Teka. Okay, anyway. itingnan lang natin na saan nanggaling yung formula niya. So, pi r squared h over 3, no? Tapos call this theta. So, pwede natin express yung given r, yung radius ng cone ng given. Is a constant, r is the radius of the cone. So let's see how we can express h in terms of r. So r over h is tangent theta. So h is equal to r cotangent theta. So pag sinubstitute natin yan, 1/3 pi r squared times r cotangent theta, makukuha nga natin yung volume na 1/3 pi r cube cotangent theta. Ang sinabi lang dito, k is a constant. So that constant is actually this. Yung 1/3 pi.
So, is it safe to assume na yung k po is 1/3 pi? Because there's no other constant.
Hindi, wag mong i-assume. Ang assumption, ang point ng problem na to, di mo kailangan yung value ng k. Kasi for example, kapag ang expectation kasi natin, what if yan? Instead of cone, meron kang parang pyramid. Tapos may line tayo sa gitna. And we can get an angle. I think pwede kang mag-dimension analysis at mag-assume na yung volume is going to look like k times yung height times it's going to be proportional to that. Na parang ganyan din yung form. I'm not sure, pero may mga kasi tawag dito, I think Cavalieri's principle yata. Na as long
parang
as
pwede na po i-split parang ham slices.
Pwede mo siyang i-deform na as long as, for example, you have a different figure dito.
The cross sections po are the same.
Iba yung shape. Pero yung nagma-match yung cross sections.
Abo.
As long as nagma-match yung cross sections niya, then they should have the same volume.
Abo.
So, I think yun yung Tapos mas mali for something like this na ang radius ay proportional sa height. Yung cone na yung pinakasimple I think.
Abo.
Sige. So punta tayo dun, so balik tayo sa problem. Tapos stop sharing muna ako ng Yan. At least yung, para lang alam mo saan nanggaling yan. So dito, i-assume na v is equal to k r cube cotangent theta.
Wait na po. Ay, mag-expand.
Okay, ano pang silbi nito? Kasi minsan yung constant complicated na isulat. So yung iba iniiwan as k. Or sometimes for this one, dito kasi iiwan na express in terms of k. Kasi may mga problems na baguhin mo yung geometry, nagbabago lang yung value ng constant. Pero same formula.
Abo. Why use cotangent when you can just put it over tangent theta? It makes my life harder. Is it
cotangent theta lang yan, di ba?
Are there any applications of cotangent, cosecant, and secant na there are so many 1 over na there just has to be a new trigonometric function, ganun ba? Has there
Tingin ko
ever
kaya may
been?
mga ganyan. Kasi,
Abo.
I think kaya lang may mga ganyan kasi mas nakasimple sa buhay or mas less complicated yung itsura ng expression.
Yung itsura po, but then the people who will learn yung ano po, cotangent, cosecant, and secant, mahihirapan naman.
And ganito lang. Go separate page. Pwedeng intermission muna. Huwag mo munang gawin yan. Pa-calculate ko lang sa yung derivative ng cotangent theta.
Yes, okay. dx.
Or cotangent of x.
Wait. Hindi pala pwede. X.
And instead of using cotangent, express it in terms of sine and cosine. Balik ka dun sa mas fundamental. Cotangent is sine over is cosine over sine, di ba?
Ayan. Negative, 1.
Sulat mo, cotangent of x is cosine over sine. Tapos mag-lodihay. So ano yan? In terms of yung co-function. Okay, ano yung derivative ng tangent ulit?
Secant squared theta.
Okay, hindi. Sige, sulat mo muna. Derivative of tangent. Para na makita mo na may mga patterns kasi. Okay. Tapos, ano yung derivative ng secant? Sige, i-derive mo. It's not
yung the ko na ano. Ko.
Okay, ano yung derivative ng cosecant? So mag-lodihay ka dyan para work out mo 1 over cosecant. Derivative ng 1 over sine.
So it is from abo. Transitioning from secant to
Kaya may mali.
Negative.
Negative. Okay, ngayon tingnan mo yung relationship ng sa tan at saka sa co-function naman. So tangent, secant squared. Cotangent, negative cosecant square. Derivative ng secant, tangent, secant. Derivative ng cosecant, negative cotangent, cosecant. So nagkakaroon ka ng negative signs. Tapos instead of instead of secant tangent, napapalit lang ng cotangent, cosecant. So may pattern na it helps people pag nagko-compute kasi madaling ma-memorize yan eh. Okay. Ngayon, since na-compute mo na yung derivative ng cotangent is negative cosecant square, balik na tayo sa problem ulit.
I low hide everything. Okay, what? Yes. Malalabas naman.
Negative kr square. Square ba yan? Cube pala. Yeah. Cosecant cube. Cosecant square. Yan.
Bro. Okay. Okay, so when pi is equal to blah, when theta equals when what malfunctioning. K. In terms of K. Oh no. What is
Hindi. Sige. Yung derivative, so negative k, tapos substitute mo yung and r, kasi may iwan yan eh. Substitute mo ngayon yung ano yung cosecant squared of pi over 6?
4. Okay, negative 4. While something 0.2. Wait, where's the question? Given that calculate the rate of change of volume.
Multiplied by okay. So, yan yan.
Challenge.
Okay. So, yung ipapa-homework ko na sa'yo, yung challenge yourself, 1 and 2, kasi 6 p.m. na. Tapos, yung next meeting natin, wala tayo this Sunday, di ba? Dahil may gagawin kayo. Yung Thursday next week, pwede kong gawin na mag 2 hours tayo. Kung available kayo.
Okay po.
So 2 hours this next Thursday, and then 2 hours the Sunday after that, para mabawi natin yung missing days.
Apo.
Okay? Tapos pagkatapos mo na yung challenge yourself, pwede mo nang simulan yung chapter 14, yung anti-derivatives.
Abo.
Okay? So we'll stop here. I'll see you again next Thursday. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye po.
Abo.
Thank you po.
Bye-bye po. Thank you po.